Hello everyone, this is Feather Care FC and my name is Isaac. Today we will be discussing my journey so far in poultry business. First of all, please help me subscribe to my channel so that we can develop this channel together and we can share a lot of experience which we discover. I'm not a professional here, but we are here to gather knowledge. And today I will be telling us my journey so far in poultry business. Once again, my name is Isaac, and please subscribe to this channel, Feather Care FC, so that you will not miss out any new video that we upload. We started this journey 3 months ago, and here we are today. Here we are this morning. Hey guys, go back. This morning we are doing well. I think we are doing well, and so far we don't have any mortality. First of all, to start this journey, I think we're supposed to be prepared. Luckily for me, I had a little preparation, but unluckily for me, I don't even expect much of it. Though you can start anyhow, as long as you have your little capital. And I will be telling us a little some tips on how to start poultry business in a small scale, like what I'm doing. The capacity and the number of my beds now are 200 beds, and so far we don't have any mortality at all. I've been raising 200 birds from a day old to 12 weeks now, and they have been doing well. Though we face a lot of challenges, but thank God we overcome it without losing anyone. So far so good. We have been doing well. And first one, before I proceed, first thing to do is to get yourself prepared. Have a ready mind, made up mind. And for this business, it's not a business that you have to keep planning without doing. You will waste a lot of time if you are planning without doing it. Don't keep telling yourself that I want to do this without doing it. You end up doing nothing and you'll be wasting your time. So it's a business that you're supposed to start whenever you are ready, and you should make your readiness like ASAP, like as soon as possible. Make yourself ready as soon as possible. It's not a business that you keep having drawing, planning without executing. First, you have to make your capital ready, safe for the business. When I mean safe for the business, you must save at least all the expenses that you will be spending throughout the chicken lifespan. I mean, throughout the planning, before the chicken will be giving you money, before the chicken will be giving out any product, you must save all the expenses before that time. So number one thing to save for is the chicken space. I mean, a lot of people, they call it chicken house, you can call it chicken pen, you can call it chicken cage, but let's choose chicken house. Chicken house is good because it is their home. You can prepare a lot of things for their home to make them comfortable. Some will use cage, that's battery cage, and some will use deep litter. We have that two type of housing for chick. We have battery cage and deep litter. So in deep litter system like this, the chicken